minute. Who are you? 21.
Hello guys, I'm Crypto Creator Solutions here to help you make the best decisions in cryptocurrency and in cryptocurrency technical analysis. In today's Bitcoin technical analysis YouTube video, we are going to be talking about what is the Bitcoin price is most likely going to do in the short term. So right now the Bitcoin price was following this bigger funny wedge, and you can see right here that it is potentially going to this resistance around the $43,800 level. But right now, you zooming in, I told you guys that the Bitcoin price was following this W pattern, and you can see that it broke out, it got retested, but it lost support. And I said that if by any chance this neckline doesn't hold the support, if this W pattern, the neckline doesn't hold support, then expect for the Bitcoin price to go around this $42,500 level and around this $40,400 level. And you can see that those price targets have been met if the neckline didn't hold support, if the W pattern, the neckline didn't hold support, and that is exactly what happened. So why didn't the W pattern complete around this price target, around the $46,000 level? It is because right now the Bitcoin price is in a downtrend. So you can see lower highs, lower lows. You can see it right here. And when that happens, the Bitcoin price is in a downtrend. And in downtrends, bullish patterns are most likely not going to be met. But because the trend is your friend until the end. So right now, this W pattern has been invalidated. And also, the volume didn't come, as I said, in order for the bullish breakout about the W pattern, in order for it to continue and complete the price target, I said that the volume has to increase, or else it will most likely not do it. But you can see right here that I was mentioning this bullish pattern. You see right here this falling wedge. In between the falling wedge, you can see right here, broke out. It tried to hold support, but it lost the support, and now it broke out again out of that resistance, and now it's confirming it as support, as you can see right there. You can see the wick exactly at the line you see right there. The wick exactly came down to this blue line right there, and you can see right there. So the bullish, like I said, the bullish price target for this falling wedge will be around the top of the wedge, around here, around the $48,800 level. And in order for the Bitcoin price to do that, clearly the green section in the volume section has to increase drastically. And also, there's something interesting happening in the Bitcoin price right now, because you can see that even though the trend in the short term is bearish, this price level is holding very strong. This $40,800 level, you can see here, support. That is very important, because that's telling me that this is most likely a bottom for the Bitcoin price, seeing this price action you see right here. And also, this is a very strong Fibonacci retracement. This horizontal blue line, this is a very strong Fibonacci retracement. From where does it come? From this 0.382 Fibonacci retracement, and the other Fibonacci retracement is 0.382 Fibonacci retracement, also the $42,440 level and the $40,410 level. Those are very strong supports right there. So right now, I can see that also in middle of these patterns, the Bitcoin price is also forming this pattern right here. I'm gonna show you real quick right here. It's like forming this. Look at this. There. It's forming this pattern you see right here. Here and here. Potentially it's forming this pattern right here. Look at this. boom, boom, support resistance, and this is a downsloping triangle, and this is a bearish pattern right here because it is more likely that the Bitcoin price will break here lower, then go to the upside. In regards of technical analysis in patterns, doesn't mean it has to be that way, because right now, like I said before, the most I see the Bitcoin price going down in the short term, I said, was around this $42,500 level to this $40,400 level. That will be the lowest I saw the Bitcoin price going in the short term. And as you can see, the Bitcoin price is holding very strong around this price range. So right now, also going to show you another reason why the Bitcoin price this will most likely be the bottom, because like I said, when there's this Fibonacci retracement around here, from swing high to swing low, you can see that the Bitcoin price, I'm gonna delete some lines because there's a lot of lines. So you can see that downtrend here was the retest around this 0.618 Fibonacci retracement and the 0.65 Fibonacci retracement. That is around the $45,294 level and the $45,590 level. So when that happens and it gets rejected and then closes a 4-hour body candle close below the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement, there's a very high chance of this playing out as a dead cat bounce scenario. You can see that it attempted to go over here, but it didn't. It got supported because of this support line, and also made this W pattern, but got rejected again. And that was another chance for this dead cat bounce scenario to play out, but it didn't happen again. And that shows me that the Bitcoin price is most likely has already bottomed out around these price ranges you see right there, because those are two strong dead cat bounce scenarios and the Bitcoin price didn't break down. So that's a very strong support, like I said, around this price range. So I'm gonna delete this Fibonacci retracement. Look at this, guys. So right here, I'm gonna show you another thing I saw in the Bitcoin price. So remember, guys, this is a bullish pattern. You see right here, this bigger is a funny wedge, resistance support, and it's still on its way to this $44,000 level around here because of this resistance right there. And remember, guys, if as soon as the Bitcoin price breaks this $44,000 level, confirm it as support, the price target for this bullish pattern for this funny wedge will be around here, the $53,000 level. And remember, guys, the Bitcoin price will most likely top out during this cycle around the December to February of next year, because of the history in the Bitcoin price, and also because of the amount of time the cycle has already left. And guys, I want to show you a really bullish thing here in the daily time frame I saw. I'm gonna show you, this is very bullish because you can see right here that going into the RSI, this is a huge bullish divergence. Look at that. That's a daily bullish divergence right there. That's very strong. Like, that's a very strong indication that I see the Bitcoin price most likely start to head to the upside and start breaking new all-time highs for the Bitcoin price. And the fastest I see is for next month. At the end of the month, the Bitcoin price will already be very close to the new all-time high, and also can already broken out its all-time high. Like the price target I see for the Bitcoin price in the next month is around the more than $60,000 for the Bitcoin price, because of the history, because of the months, because of the cycles, and because of the amount of time this cycle has. And this cycle has been playing out very near close to the 2013 Bitcoin cycle. And in summary, around this time exactly at September, it's a very consolidating month, which you can see right there. The Bitcoin price is not deciding where to go, but it's okay because it's consolidating in a bullish pattern. And also in October, it is, if it's gonna replicate almost the exact same thing of this cycle from the 2013 cycle, then next month is supposed to be the month that the Bitcoin price will start breaking new all-time highs. So the Bitcoin price will have to be very close to the new all-time highs by next month, and also potentially breaking new all-time highs according to the 2013 Bitcoin cycle. I'm gonna go back so you can see what I mean right here. So remember this. This is a daily time frame. Today is September 29th. So I'm gonna show you real quick the 2013 Bitcoin cycle. I'm gonna show you how exactly it's playing out. It's very near close. So you can see right here that's here. Okay, so I'm gonna start out by September. So September started here. Look at that. And look at what happened. Exactly when at the start of September, you can see right there that the Bitcoin price had a huge pullback right here. That's exactly what happened at the start of September. Before around August, it had the relief rally, and in September, like you can see right here, it had a pullback at the start of September, then consolidation, and before this massive price action, you can see that there was a huge capitulation candle to the downside around this price level, or the $85 level, before heading higher, had a V-shaped recovery and head higher. So this is happening exactly as before. You can see that this huge pullback was around April. For this Bitcoin cycle was around May, which is very close to the April, and had a huge pullback, then a lot of consolidation for the remaining months from May to June to July. And then when August came, you can see that it had a relief rally right here, and at the start of September, pullback, consolidation. That is exactly what's happening for this Bitcoin cycle. And then at the start of October, from this 2013 Bitcoin cycle, had a huge pullback, and then had a huge recovery, and then had a V-shaped recovery, and then started heading to the upside, heading very near to these highs you can see right there, pullback, and then at the start of November, you can see it started breaking its previous all-time highs from this Bitcoin 2013 cycle. So this is playing out very exactly. So right now, what I'm anticipating is that this huge red candle will most likely not happen for the Bitcoin price, because the Bitcoin price during this cycle had a pullback and had a lot of consolidation during these days. And in today's Bitcoin cycle around this year, had a pullback, and they had another pullback and another pullback. So this huge red candle is most likely has already been met for the Bitcoin price during this month. But the difference is it wasn't in just one day, it was around a couple of days. If I'm going to show you where is the Bitcoin price compared from today to this cycle, I would say it would be around here. Or I would say it would be around this price range right here. And then when October starts, the Bitcoin price will start heading parabolic, pullback, almost the last shakeout before going to new all-time highs, as you can see right here. And then it is blast off time to where, look at that. Look at the boom pullback, and the top was around December 1st of this cycle. That was the top for the Bitcoin price during that cycle, and you can see how very quick that happened. Literally, this was September. No, this was October right here. October, boom, parabolic, November, and start of December, and then Bitcoin tops out. Look at that, just wow. Okay, look at here, October, November. You can see that the Bitcoin price kept going higher, and December came, and boom, that was the top for the Bitcoin price. And that is how quickly the Bitcoin price can head to the upside. Look at that. This was the previous all-time high from the 2013 Bitcoin cycle, consolidation, and we're right here. We're out here before this massive parabolic run. This is so I'm gonna show you real quick again. Look at this, guys. Just October is right here. We're around here, almost literally. And then the parabolic run, look at that. And this is November. And then this is the 1st of December here, and boom, pullback. It's right now, that's what I'm anticipating for the Bitcoin price. And this cycle may extend. That's why I'm saying that. And this Bitcoin cycle will most likely extend. So what I am expecting is for the Bitcoin price to top out around December to January and February of the next year, because of the lengthening cycle I mentioned in my reasonings why the Bitcoin price will not top out around October. That is another video I already posted, but I'm summarizing the reasons why for my justifications for the Bitcoin price topping out most likely from December to January and February of next year. So you can see right here, I'm gonna show you using today's Bitcoin cycle. So you can see around here, around May, was the pullback. But it happened also in April. Look at this huge pullback in April. Boom, and then had a relief rally. In the 2013 Bitcoin cycle, when exactly around this time, the Bitcoin price had a huge downside, a huge correction for the Bitcoin price, a huge downside like this. But it was because of a huge parabolic run, which was more vertical than this one. So Bitcoin price around 2013 had a pullback, and then around May, this cycle ended the downtrend around here, around May. And that is exactly what was happening in the 2013 Bitcoin cycle. And you can see then around May here, consolidation for a couple of months. You can see right here, consolidation, June, July, then a relief bounce around August. It started from April, but you can include it also by August. I included by August, relief rally, and then at the start of September, pullback, and then in the 2013 cycle it did this, but in this cycle it kept going to the downside. Another pullback here, and now the Bitcoin price is very, very close to starting the rapid parabolic run. You can see that around the start of October, I expect for the Bitcoin price to start heading parabolic, retest here, and start going parabolic. Literally, just and very, very fast, because Bitcoin can do that very fast. Right now, literally, I will show you with a vertical line right here how close this Bitcoin cycle is from being over. So I'm gonna show you. This is okay. So I'm expecting for this Bitcoin cycle to extend a little bit more. In the Bitcoin 2013 cycle, the Bitcoin price topped out around here. If the Bitcoin price will have topped out around there, this will be the price action like this. It will be more parabolic, but since the Bitcoin price in each Bitcoin cycle almost every time it extends, it almost every time doesn't extend. No, it extends every single time for the moment because of this, of the lightning cycles. So I'm expecting for this Bitcoin cycle to top out around here. Show you at least from January to February, like around these ranges around here, because that puts enough space for this parabolic Bitcoin price to run, pull back, huge up, pull back, and topping out around December, from December to February of next year. That's what I'm expecting for the Bitcoin price to top out. And the price target, like I mentioned, it will most likely go to the $150,000 level. That's the Bitcoin price target from $120,000 to $150,000 for the Bitcoin price. That's the price target I'm expecting for the Bitcoin price to top out around this Bitcoin cycle. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and share this video with your friends. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Crypto Solutions, if you haven't subscribed yet. Also, you can support my YouTube channel by going in the Patreon link in the description below, where you can get a membership, a elite crypto investment membership, where most likely the best times to buy and sell Bitcoin and altcoins in the short term, and I tell you when are the best times to buy and sell Bitcoin and altcoins, the most likely scenario in the long term. Also, I can also help you as soon as the Bitcoin price ends up topping out in this cycle, to then take the profits from the Bitcoin asset and then transfer those profits to the altcoins before they start pumping, because that's how the cycle works. Bitcoin pumps, and after the pump and has a massive retracement and then consolidates, now that is the time where the altcoins are gonna do the same thing, and that's where you can make a lot of money. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Have a nice day, guys. Take care, guys, and peace out, guys.